Carla, your message is to get fit in the gym and lose weight in the kitchen.
Absolutely. That's because people think that in order to lose weight, for example, they only have to go to the gym, or they won't go to the gym because they want to build muscle, but first losing that fat. And so this picture, for example, here, I love because...
That's me, by the way. I just want to put that out there.
I mean, you could technically do both if you're cooking as you're working out. There's a lot of different exercises that you can incorporate in your cooking routine, where as you're waiting for something to be done in the microwave, you're doing push-ups off the
do squats on the oven, right?
Exactly, things like that. But no, I mean, ideally, if you're looking to really lose weight, we really encourage people to look at what they're eating. We're either reducing the calories, improving the quality of the foods too.
You say it's about choosing the right foods.
It's choosing the right foods, the portions of the foods, and even depending on how competitive you are and how long you work out, the timing of the foods become really, really important.
What do you mean by timing of the food?
Because, for example, if somebody's going to be training for 2 hours, then we need to make sure that the 4 hours before, that was basically the most important meal, that they have a lot of the energy that they need that comes from carbohydrates. Or if they weren't able to eat lunch and they have a training session at, let's say, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, that they eat something within the hour before because they need that energy to be able to perform. So that timing becomes really important.